Welcome to the Vadakara Islamic Welfare Association presentation. We believe that saving a life is akin to saving all of humanity, as stated in the Holy Quran. We are proud to announce our blood donation drive, organized in association with Hamad Medical Corporation and Qatar Blood Services. Your participation can make a significant difference. We are grateful for the support of our esteemed partners, Elof, Welkins, Hamad Medical Corporation, and Qatar Blood Services. Together, we strive to make a positive impact. Mark your calendars for Friday the 25th of April 2025. Join us at the Qatar Indian Islahi Center Hall in Luqta, Doha, from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. for our blood donation drive and medical awareness class. Let's take a look at the progress we've made over the years. Our blood donation drives have seen a steady increase in participation, reflecting the growing awareness and commitment of our community. We are honored to receive a certificate of appreciation from Hamad Medical Corporation, recognizing our efforts in organizing successful blood donation campaigns. Blood donation is crucial. It can save lives, improve health, and even burn calories. Regular donations help in the production of new red blood cells and fight genetic disorders like hemochromatosis. Together, we can build a healthier and safer community. Join us for the blood donation drive and medical awareness class on the 25th of April 2025 at the Qatar Indian Islahi Center Hall. Mental wellness is equally important. Join Dr. Nikita Fernandez for a session on recharging your mind and achieving mental wellness on the 25th of April at 4 p.m. Enhance your skills with hands-on training on basic life support by Dr. Rashid Patel. This class demonstration will be held on the 25th of April at 6 p.m. Thank you for being a part of this noble cause. Remember, saving a life is like saving all of humanity. We appreciate your support and participation.